It's here. How are you doing there, Prophet? Petunia, Petunia. You didn't come yesterday, Mama. During breeding season, she disappears for 2 or 3 months, guys. Not even Panchito comes. He will think that Panchito will come and get food, but no, he doesn't come. None of them come, so... And that's when I start seeing the Rosellas. Then the Rosellas come here and visit me those months. The pale-headed Rosellas. So I go through 3 months where I don't see Petunia, but I know she's in the nest, and I know Panchito is feeding his babies, so I'm okay with that.